Did you know you can match with scholarships before you even apply to college? Hi everyone, my name is Michaela and I work here at Common App. Today, I wanted to talk to you about Common App's scholarship and financial aid matching feature. We can automatically match you with scholarship opportunities that we think you're a good fit for based on the information you provide in the profile and education sections of your Common App. Let me show you how it works. To get started, complete the profile and education sections in My Common Application. We'll automatically look for scholarship matches based on your responses. If we find matches for you, we'll notify you in the financial aid section. On the scholarships page, you can learn more about your matches. For example, you can see how much aid the scholarship awards, if the opportunity is based on need or merit, and what parts of your application told us you were eligible. If you'd like to move forward, select Apply to complete your application on the scholarship provider's site. You can match with scholarship opportunities as early as your junior year of high school, so be sure to start your Common App early. We hope this tool helps you easily find and apply to funding opportunities that are a good fit for you. Scholarships and financial aid are a great way to make college more affordable. You can also find me and some of my Common App friends on social media at Common App, where we share more affordability tips and resources. Now get out there and get started. Congratulations from the Common App team.